New Surface Laptop Studio. Microsoft today announced a whole host of Surface devices. Chief among these was a brand new Surface Laptop Studio, along with updates to other members of the Surface lineup. The Surface Laptop Studio is a 2-in-1 device that functions as a laptop, but can also be folded into a tablet-like device. The Surface Laptop Studio features a 14.4-inch, 2400 by 1600 resolution touchscreen with 120Hz and Dolby Vision support. The display can be folded into 3 modes: Laptop, Stage, and Studio. The laptop mode is self-explanatory. The Stage mode folds the display forward, hiding the keyboard, making it ideal for watching content or playing games. The Studio mode folds the display flat over the keyboard, turning it into a tablet for drawing or note-taking. The Surface Laptop Studio supports Microsoft's new Surface Slim Pen 2 with built-in haptics, which can be tucked away under the base where it attaches magnetically and charges when not in use. Powering the Surface Laptop Studio are quad-core Intel 11th Gen Core i5-11300H and i7-11370H processors, with 16GB or 32GB of memory, and up to 2 TB of storage. The base i5 model comes with Intel Iris Xe integrated graphics, while the i7 variant gets NVIDIA RTX 3050 T-Mobile GPU with 4GB video memory. The Surface Laptop Studio also gets 2x USB 4.0 ports with Thunderbolt 4 support. The Surface Laptop Studio starts at $1,600. Pre-orders start today and the device will ship on October 5th.